Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm joining in on the Get It Done challenge. Now I have a couple of painting projects I need to do inside of my house, and right here what you see is this beautiful curio that my mother-in-law gave to me. Now it's already beautiful, but I really want to brighten up the space. So right now I'm just cleaning it, and I took everything that was inside out, and I'm going to use this chalk paint that I already had. I did not want to spend extra money just to do a painting project. So I'm giving this curio a first coat of paint. I could not find my painter's tape, so I am freestyling it. Alright, so the first coat is done. I'm going to apply the second coat, and y'all will check out everything nicely finished at the very end of this video. So stay tuned. Alright, so next painting project is inside of my front door. Y'all, it was giving me a headache with all these spots, and you even see like wood exposed, I don't know, and this yellow stuff, I don't know what that is, but what I'm going to do is just wipe it down first to get all the dirt built up off the front door. And I'm using the same chalk paint just to touch up the area. I'm not painting the entire front door. I'm just doing some touch-ups. Here's the reveal of my beautiful curio cabinet. I love it so much. That fresh coat of white paint, like I always say, make a huge difference. I have a small space, so I have to be very cautious with bold colors, but I love this fresh look. Regardless of the season, it just looks beautiful. And also my front door came out perfect. This is not going to be the final stage because we're still going to paint it overall, but in the meantime, just neatening up these areas, it still make a huge difference. Thanks y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. What projects y'all got going on in your home? Share it with me in the comments. All right, so be blessed everyone, and take care.